Heraclitus of Ephesus, an ancient Greek philosopher, is often considered one of the most profound and enigmatic thinkers in Western philosophy. His doctrines, centered on the concepts of perpetual flux and the unity of opposites, challenge us to reconsider our understanding of reality and our place within it. This essay explores the philosophical depth of Heraclitus's ideas, analyzing their implications and addressing critical questions about change, identity, and the nature of existence. The doctrine of flux, understanding perpetual change. Heraclitus's most famous assertion, "No man ever steps in the same river twice," encapsulates his doctrine of flux. This statement is not merely a poetic observation, but a profound philosophical claim about the nature of reality. Heraclitus suggests that everything is in a state of constant change and permanence is an illusion. The nature of change. Why is change fundamental to Heraclitus's view of the world? Heraclitus observed that the world is in continuous motion, a process of becoming rather than being. For him, the river symbolizes the ever-changing nature of life. Just as the water in a river flows and is never the same from one moment to the next, so too does everything in the universe undergo constant transformation. This idea raises crucial philosophical questions. If everything is in flux, can there be any true knowledge? How do we understand identity and persistence over time? Heraclitus would argue that knowledge must accommodate the reality of change, embracing a dynamic rather than static understanding of the world. Identity in flux. If change is constant, how can we speak of identity? Heraclitus's view challenges the traditional notion of a stable, unchanging self. Instead, he posits that identity is a process, a continual becoming. This perspective aligns with modern existentialist and process philosophies, which see human beings as constantly evolving. In practical terms, this means that our sense of self must be flexible and adaptable. Rather than clinging to a fixed identity, we should embrace the fluidity of our experiences and the transformations they bring. This approach fosters resilience and openness to growth, essential qualities in a world marked by uncertainty and change. The unity of opposites, embracing paradox. Another central tenet of Heraclitus's philosophy is the unity of opposites. He famously stated, "The path up and down are one and the same." This paradoxical statement suggests that opposites are not mutually exclusive, but interconnected and interdependent. The interplay of opposites. Heraclitus observed that life is full of apparent contradictions, day and night, life and death, war and peace. However, he argued that these opposites are part of a unified whole. This concept challenges binary thinking and encourages a more holistic understanding of reality. For instance, consider the relationship between health and disease. According to Heraclitus, health is understood in contrast to disease and vice versa. Each gives meaning to the other, and together they form a complete picture of human existence. This interplay of opposites invites us to embrace complexity and ambiguity, recognizing that life's dualities are interconnected and essential for a balanced perspective. Ethical implications. The unity of opposites also has profound ethical implications. If good and evil, right and wrong, are interconnected, how do we navigate moral choices? Heraclitus's view suggests that ethical decision-making must account for the complexities of human life. Rather than adhering to rigid moral absolutes, we should consider the context and the interplay of various factors. This approach aligns with contemporary ethical theories that emphasize situational ethics and the importance of context in moral reasoning. It encourages empathy and understanding, recognizing that moral dilemmas often involve competing values and perspectives. Embracing change, practical applications. Heraclitus's philosophy offers valuable insights for navigating the challenges of contemporary life. By embracing change and the unity of opposites, we can cultivate resilience, adaptability, and a deeper understanding of our place in the world. Adaptability and personal growth. In a world characterized by rapid technological and social change, adaptability is crucial. Heraclitus's emphasis on flux encourages us to remain open to new experiences and perspectives. This mindset fosters continuous learning and personal development, enabling us to thrive in an ever-changing environment. Resilience in adversity. Heraclitus's recognition of the interdependence of opposites can also enhance our resilience. By understanding that hardship and adversity are natural parts of life, we can develop a more balanced and resilient approach to challenges. This perspective helps us find strength in difficult times, knowing that change is a constant and that new opportunities will arise. Mindfulness and presence. The awareness of perpetual change can enhance our practice of mindfulness. By focusing on the present moment and appreciating the transient nature of life, we can cultivate gratitude and contentment. This mindfulness allows us to savor each experience and find meaning in the here and now, aligning with Heraclitus's view of the world as a dynamic and ever-evolving process. Conclusion: the timeless wisdom of Heraclitus. Heraclitus's philosophy offers a profound and enduring vision of reality. His insights into the nature of change and the unity of opposites challenge us to embrace the fluidity of existence and recognize the interconnectedness of life's dualities. In doing so, we can develop a more adaptable, resilient, and mindful approach to the complexities of modern life. By engaging with Heraclitus's ideas, we are invited to see the world not as a collection of static entities, but as a dynamic interplay of forces and processes. This perspective not only enriches our understanding of reality, but also provides practical wisdom for navigating the challenges and opportunities of an ever-changing world.